What is the roadmap to starting modeling and keep on modeling? How does somebody go from I've never done this before, I don't know what I'm doing, to starting and then keep on modeling for a long time? You should want to know this. You should want to know the roadmap of starting and continuing modeling because this is an industry where the average career length of a model is 1.5 years long. Now, that might seem like, oh, it's interesting, kind of like a little fizzle, but you need to know a little bit more about that. 1.5 years, the average model is shooting less than 3 times a month. That's You're pretty much looking at 2 shoots in 30 days time throughout the year. So in a year and a half, you're not really getting much work. You want to know the roadmap because that downtime where a lot of people go into the valley of despair, you want to be confident that what you're doing, if you keep on doing it, it's going to work out. That way, when you're in between shoots, you're in between bookings, you're not beating yourself up, you're not feeling down, you're not questioning everything. You know, it's just a matter of repetitions and keep on pushing because you are on the right road. You're on the right path.